Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add GitHub link on LinkedIn. GitHub is developer platform that saves the future of software. To add GitHub link on LinkedIn, first open any web browser available on your mobile phone. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.github.com. Then tap on the arrow icon. With that, you'll be taken to official website of GitHub. Now, first make sure that you are logged into your account. After you log in, tap on your profile icon at top right corner. Then tap on your profile option at second. With that, here you can see your profile of GitHub. Now tap on the search bar at the top of your Google Chrome. Then on down you can see your link of GitHub. Now tap on copy icon. With that, your GitHub link will be copied. Now after you copy your GitHub link, open your LinkedIn application. Make sure that you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Now tap on your profile on top left corner. With that, tap on view profile option. Now tap on pin icon down the cover of your profile. With that, here you can see you can edit your information. Scroll down, then tap on edit contact info at last. Now here you need to enter the website. Tap on add website, then add the URL, that is the link that you have just copied. Then select the website type, select on company option. With that, tap on save option. After you tap on save, your website link will be saved on your LinkedIn. This is how we can add GitHub link on LinkedIn. As you can see here, my GitHub link has been updated on my LinkedIn. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.